Hey there, I'm HVAC Repair Guy, bringing you over 17 years of field experience as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're taking a look at two top-tier variable speed heat pumps, the AirEase A7CP21V and the Daikin DZ9VC. Looking at the cabinets, both of these outdoor units come with louvered coil protection. Those metal louvers shield the delicate aluminum fins from hail, yard debris, and lawnmowers, which is crucial for maintaining long-term airflow. When it comes to winter heating, efficiency is measured by HSPF, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, the AirEase. A 7CP21V comes in with a strong HSPF rating of 10. The Daikin DZ9VC sits at an HSPF rating of 8.2. That higher rating on the AirEase means it extracts heat more efficiently during cold winter operation, saving you more on your electric bill when temperatures drop. Because these are heat pumps, they reverse cycle in the summer to cool your home, and both of these high-tier units deliver top-of-the-line cooling efficiency alongside their heating capabilities. Under the hood, both systems feature a variable speed compressor and a variable speed outdoor condenser fan. They also both come equipped with heavy-duty compressor sound blankets. Variable speed technology allows the compressor and fan to continuously ramp up or down in tiny increments to precisely match your home's real-time heating and cooling load, rather than slamming on at 100% capacity like older single-speed or two-stage units. This eliminates temperature swings, improves indoor humidity control, and reduces wear and tear on electrical components for longer equipment life. Acoustically, these units operate very differently. The AirEase A7CP21V, its sound output ranges between 62 and 72 decibels. At 62 decibels, it sounds like normal conversational speech, while 72 decibels is comparable to a dishwasher running in the next room. On the other hand, the Daikin DZ9VC operates as low as 23 decibels under light loads. That 23 decibel rating is exceptionally quiet, roughly equivalent to a quiet whisper or a soft rustle of leaves. If you are wondering who actually manufactures these systems, AirEase is built in the USA by Allied Air Enterprises, a Lennox international company, and manufactured right here in the United States. The Daikin DZ9VC is manufactured in the USA by Daikin Comfort Technologies at their massive Texas technology park. For real-world installed pricing, current market ranges for high-efficiency variable-speed heat pump replacements generally land between $9,000 and $16,000, depending on tonnage, regional labor rates, and ductwork modifications. A full installed package for the AirEase A7CP21V typically falls in the $11,000 to $16,000 range, while Daikin high-efficiency systems often run between $9,000 and $15,000 installed, depending on the specific dealer network and configuration. Checking the warranties. The AirEase A7CP21V provides a standard 10-year warranty on parts and a 10-year warranty on the compressor, but offers 0 unit replacement coverage. The Daikin DZ9VC takes warranty protection a step further with a 12-year parts warranty, a 12-year compressor warranty, and a 12-year unit replacement warranty, meaning if the compressor fails within 12 years, they replace the whole outdoor unit. Looking at both systems side by side, my honest recommendation goes to the Daikin DZ9VC. While the AirEase gives you a higher winter heating efficiency rating, the Daikin wins where it counts most for daily home living. Its whisper-quiet 23 decibel operation and an industry-leading 12-year unit replacement warranty that provides unmatched peace of mind.